Easy now.
Come on, almost there.
Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Watch your step on the ramp.
All right, dispatch, the gates are open. Guiding the rescue unit to Bay 3 now. Watch your approach, nice and slow.
You're such a good boy. We'll have you dried off in just a moment.
There you go, nice and easy now. You're all right.
Shh, it's okay. You're all right now. Almost done, little one.
You're doing so well, sweetie. Almost dry now.
Easy now, we'll have you warm in a minute.
That's what you're lit.
This one's ready for the incubator.
A little further, then cut it hard left. You're clear on this side.
Keep it coming straight back. Easy now. Right there, set it down. Clear.
Easy now. Center the pallet. Bay 3 is clear. Send the next load. Easy now. Center the pallet. Bay 3 is clear. Send the next load.
All right, bring it in slowly now. Watch your left side and keep coming. Head to Bay 4.
And the lining is made from recycled silk, completely sustainable. Yeah.
It's stunning. The fit looks perfect.
Yeah.
Let me show you this bomber style as well.
Here is your jacket, sir. I hope you enjoy it.
It's beautiful. Thank you very much.
If you'd like to try it on, the fitting rooms are just over there.
Thank you. It's beautiful.